Now I start my New Year's resolution, and it was to get up earlier this year because last year there was a lot of napping, kipping, and just overall just being tired, and that was mainly due to me going to bed really late. I'd go to bed about 2 AM, 3 AM, really bad, and then wake up about 11 to 12, so I'd miss that whole morning from 6 till 12, so that's 6 hours wasted in the day, and this year that's going to change. I am making sure of that. And so yeah, I'm going to do an unboxing for you and a quick review. So this is the packaging. It's in a big white box, and yeah, let's open into it. There's nothing else in there. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It is just a white map, but let's see what they give you. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so let's put this aside. Over here, mini USB cable. You want to have a look at that? And that's basically, I don't know what that is for, but I'm guessing that's to charge it or to connect it up to a computer. That's some good old silica gel, and then we have the manual. So who reads these? That's to the side. Okay, so next up we have the Ruggy. Oh, I can't even explain how soft this thing is. This thing is so soft. So soft. It feels like there's like a panel here, so I'm guessing that's where there's a screen so you can see the time on it or whatever. But this thing is like super soft. I can't even describe it. Like, I can't wait to put my feet on this. Like, that's how good it feels. It feels so, and ooh. This thing's a memory foam, guys. Like, it's so satisfying. Breakfast. I could actually use this as my pillow. It's that soft. But anyway, let's move on. The back is like a rubber, so it's not going to slip on your carpet or your laminate floor, because I have laminate floor in here, so that is a really good idea. But yeah, it doesn't move. Like, I'm trying to move it on this surface and it doesn't move, so yeah, it's not going to go anywhere. Or I'm not going to stand on it in the morning and slip over. I broke my neck. I don't know if you can see, but there is a little compartment here where there's a screen, so I'm guessing that's where I'm going to... what? We've got batteries? Come on guys. It's 2017 and we're still using batteries. I'd hope they would have used like a recharge. That's what I thought this USB cable was for, like a recharger, but I'm guessing we're gonna have to go back to the old-fashioned batteries to power up this thing, which is a bit annoying because yeah, it's 2017. Who uses batteries anymore? Everything's rechargeable. So you can change the time, and you plug the USB here, and there's a power on switch right to the other side. And that's how they light up the LEDs. So right, let's have a look. Let's power this thing on anyway. Have a listen to the alarm sounds, guys. So this is the first one. That's gonna annoy me. That is gonna annoy me. That is gonna annoy me. These are ridiculously loud, guys. Like, I didn't expect. That's gonna wake me up. That just sounds like you go in the toilet. Yeah, so it's back to 1 again. So it's 6 different sounds for the alarms. It's so loud, like, I can't even explain how loud these are. And I just want to show you how satisfying this thing is. So to turn it, to check the time, all you have to do is like tap your foot on it. And look how soft that memory foam is. So it's 3:15. I've got an alarm set for 3:15, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. But look, when you stand on it, your feet just sink in it. I can't even explain how soft this thing is. Look at it. Look at that memory foam. So I've tried this out for like a day. I've checked with all the settings, messed around with it. I'd say this is a good product, man. Like, it works well. As soon as you like put pressure on it, the time like shows up in with the LEDs. It's quite bright as well, even in like daylight. So it's great. You can see something working so well. The only downside is, like I said earlier, just the batteries. But apart from that, this is a pretty good product, and I reckon this is going to be waking me up every single morning because this thing is loud. It's also good that when you stand on it, it starts counting down, so it's like 15, 14, 13. It'll count down until you've done it, and then it makes a massive sound, so give you a bit of motivation, which is pre-built in there, but you can add your own ones. And yeah, this is the Ruggy. Enjoy.